Hello guys, welcome to Levo. Today we are going to talk about some common linking phrases in English that we use to add new information. And I'll show you some examples for each one. Well, my friends, while we are writing in English, it's very important to avoid using the same words because you wouldn't want to be boring, would you? So to do that, we will learn some alternatives like this one. The word also is an adverb which is used to indicate additional information like actions, items, or ideas. Let's use an example, shall we? My daughter enjoys painting and she also has a great passion for photography. Or he's a talented singer and also a stunning actor. And number two, in addition and additionally. Well, they're not different than each other. We use both of them to show, again, extra additional information. We use them at the beginning of a sentence. However, you might want to use in addition instead of additionally if you're writing something very formal. For an example, the project was completed right on time. In addition, or additionally, it received a lot of positive feedback from clients. And number three, as well as. Well, many people think that this is an alternative of and, or it's quite similar to that most of the time. However, it's not always true, because as well as is a conjunction that we mainly use to mean in addition to, and we can also use it to make comparison. Let's use it in a sentence. He wrote a lot of historical novels as well as non-fiction stories. Or, I know Thomas as well as I know his brother. And number four, to. Well, to is another adverb that we use to mean also or in addition. The meaning is the same, but the way that we use to is a bit different. Unlike the other linking phrases, we use to at the end of a sentence. For example, the project deadline was extended and the budget was increased too. Or, the students studied very hard for the exam and the teacher noticed that effort too. As you see, we use to at the end of each sentence here. And number five, moreover and furthermore. Well, I wanted to show these two together because in many cases they can be used interchangeably. And the meaning is to add new information that reinforces or extends the point made in the previous sentence. And the example is, the company reported increased profits. Moreover or furthermore, they successfully launched a new product line. If you want to improve your English, you know what to do, right? See you in the next lesson.